Creating web forms in your CRM is as simple as just a few clicks. Inside of your Address to CRM account, under the marketing dashboard, you'll see a drop-down for web forms. You'll click on the web forms dashboard here and you'll see any existing web forms that you have connected to your Address to account. The next step to add a new form would actually be to click on the plus button just off to the right here. First, you want to name the web form. I suggest naming the web form for the actual web page that you're placing it on. So in this instance, let's make it a Contact Us page. So Contact Us. And I'm going to hit Save. Typically under your Contact Us page, you probably want to get a little more information than just sign up for our monthly newsletter. So in this case, when they contact you, you want to get their first name, their last name. You may want to receive their title. You obviously want to get their email and their phone number. We may want to get their company name, maybe even their company website. And let's get a few more bits of information like their street, city, state, and postcode. For our international users, you can also get their county or country as well. From there, that is a basic Contact Us form as far as what I want to capture on the lead form itself. Next, I just need to create a few other things here. So when that form is filled out, what user should get notified? In this case, a Contact Us form should notify myself, Aaron, and Nick. So in other words, when that form gets filled out, these three select individuals will also get an email that that form has been filled out. You can, as well, name that when somebody fills it out, immediately put them on a list, such as Contact from Website list or Website Contact list. If you have any of those in here, I have a lot of lists, so I'm going to skip past that. In future videos, we'll also talk about how to select campaigns. In other words, they fill out a form and you want them to immediately get an email that says, "Thanks for contacting us." You can actually select a campaign here for them to get that email and future emails after that. Next, moving around basic web form editor. Do you want to update your CRM if new data is submitted? So in other words, if all you have in your CRM is maybe their first name, last name, and email address, and now you're getting more information, I do recommend clicking on yes. You can give them the option of clicking a box that says they would like to be opted in, so asking them if they would like to be opted in to receive your emails, or you can say by default they will get opted in to receive my emails. Last and not least, and very overlooked, but in the world of spam and hacking attacks and that kind of fun stuff, I do highly recommend that you include a CAPTCHA form on any and all web forms that you place on your database. Last but not least, we click the Generate Code button and we scroll down. This is what my form will look like to place on my website. And then all I have to do is take this form here, and actually I'm going to click Copy to Clipboard. I'm going to hit Control C on my on my computer and Control C to copy. Next, I'm going to go to my, let's just say Blogger website or my website. I'm going to log into a different account here, so give me just a second. Let's log into this one. And there we go. I'm going to find a page on my website here, maybe to paste a link. So here you can see actually where I've probably already put a link in here. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on HTML. I'm going to hit Control A to select all of the past form that's on there, and I'm going to hit Delete. Next, I'm going to hit Control V to put that form. Actually, let's go back over here just to make sure I got it. So I'm going to hit Copy, and I'm going to hit Control A to delete, and then I'm going to hit Control V to paste that new form. And here is that exact new form. Now, we do provide you with a very basic form. So things like if you wanted to remove, let's say, contact email address, right? You can just go through and delete that information. City, state, postcode, and comments. Cool. So then I can hit update and this form is published to my website. Now, if you want this form to be more, how do I put this? More like your website, more custom. Whoever designed your website, what I do recommend is taking this and going to copy, going to email that your website designer, bob@website.com. Please add this form. Bob, we have a CRM that provides us with web forms that link right to our CRM account. Please place the form code below and make it match our website layout to the following page, right? So tell your website designer where you want that form to go. So if you want that form to go to address2.com, let's just say contact us here, take that URL, Control C, go into that email and say, put it here, and then say, here is the form code. And then go back to your address2 account. Copy, right click, hit copy, go to your email, and put that form in there. Your website designer should know how to modify the HTML code in here to adjust font sizes, font styles, as well as size and everything to match your current web form layout. So that is how to create a basic web form in Address2. And again, in future videos here, we'll talk about how to create campaigns as well as triggered links in those web forms as well.